straightforward reviews. Today is a bit of a fix. So I've been having an issue where when I connect my iPhone to my Mac and try and download all the photos, it just sits in preparing for import. So I'll show you guys that problem that I'm facing, and then I'll show you guys the fix. So I'll unlock my iPhone first and then plug it in, and you guys will see that my iPhone will come up. Okay, so it's come up and it just sits here. And I've tried everything, guys. I leave it, once I left it for an hour and it just sat in preparing to import from your iPhone, okay? And it should take only a couple of seconds. Okay, so at the moment, there's no fix. I've looked everywhere, so other than this fix that I have gotten for you guys. Basically, it requires you to put the Mac in safe mode, which is completely fine. So to do this, you'll need to just shut down your Mac if it's on right now. So there's two versions. There's an Intel one, which is really straightforward. The Mac one is straightforward as well, but it's a bit complicated. So first of all, the Intel one, all you got to do is when you shut down your Mac, make sure it's shut down for more than 10 seconds. Upon turning it on, make sure you press the shift key and hold it and turn it on. Keep pressing the shift key till you see a boot screen, which I'll show in a second, where it says system or options and things like that, shut down and restart, okay? For the Apple Silicon one, it's a bit more complicated. So when the Mac is off for 10 seconds, all you do is press and hold the power button, and you keep pressing it. It says to you that basically your Mac is booting into recovery mode. You just keep holding it and it'll be like, it'll go in, and afterwards you should see this screen. Okay, so once you see this screen, whatever system you've got your Mac on, so let's say Macintosh hard drive, if you've got your Mac OS on there, click on that, but don't click on continue. Hold the shift key. This is on Apple Silicon only, so the M1 chip. So hold the shift key. It should say continue in safe mode, then click it. After you've clicked it, it should boot into safe mode. So this is safe mode, and I'll show you guys as soon as I plug in my iPhone, it just lets me in and go through. So there you go. That's my fix for it. So hopefully this will work for you guys and help you guys out whilst Apple works on some new updates. And let me know if this helped you out. By the way, I'd like to let you know this channel completely survives on your subscriptions. It's free. Please do subscribe for more quality content. Thank you for staying to the end. Let me know in the comments what sort of issues you had and how this fix helped you. Take good care. Bye-bye.